thought I had control. Then the car broke down, a $1,200 repair, and suddenly my money system felt fragile. A few weeks after building my 30-minute Sunday system, things felt steady. Not perfect, not fully safe, but steady enough that I believed I could handle life's surprises. And then, reality checked me. It wasn't dramatic, no accident, no life-threatening emergency. Just a car repair I hadn't planned for, $1,200. And for a moment, I felt that old panic creeping back. Old my Mike would have reacted immediately. Swiped the credit card, ignored the bank app. Hoped the problem would disappear, because hazing it felt worse than pretending it wasn't there. This time, I paused. Stress was still there, of course, but I reminded myself Sunday reset is coming. I would review the numbers then. Not now. And for the first time in a long time, waiting felt manageable. Sunday arrived. I opened my transactions calmly. Some time categories were under budget, some weren't. We paused eating out and limited non-essential spending. We shifted funds temporarily. No drama, just action. The stress didn't vanish, but the panic did. I wasn't guessing. I wasn't hiding. I wasn't compounding the problem. I was responding. And that's new for me. Even with the system, at car repair revealed a weakness. Our margin was still too thin. Small emergencies could still shake us. And that made me ask a deeper question. Where was my money really going? After that week, I pulled 90 days of spending. Every transaction. It's just $20. And what I found surprised me. Not because we were reckless, but because money leaks had gone invisible. I realized I was financially stressed, despite earning a decent income. Subscribe so you don't miss out. This is Paycheck to Prosperity. Next episode, I'll show you exactly where my money was disappearing and why understanding the patterns is the first real step to control.